Hey Caleb, what's the leprechaun's favorite type of music?
What's that?
Shamrockin'. Got another one for you. What do ghosts drink on St. Patrick's Day?
What is it?
Booze. I didn't want to laugh at my own jokes. One more for you. What do you call an Irish spider?
What's that?
Touchy long legs. Oh my gosh, I love this time of year. Hey everybody, this is Lisa with your kick-ass news flash of What's Up at American Eagle. What's up? American Eagle is going green this weekend. That's right, we are celebrating St. Patrick's Day here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. We have so much in store. We have the Jason Cartmell Rockstrocity band is going to be here, and Kate's going to be on the bagpipes. They will be here live on stage from 11 to 3. Our friends, CVMA Texas Chapter 23-1 are going to be here working the grill. They're going to be grilling up some brats and serving some nice green frosty beverages. We have over 150 new and used certified pre-owned bikes for you to test ride this weekend. Come out, enjoy that. St. Patrick's Day, check out my shirt. Shelby has a whole wall of St. Patrick's Day shirts for you. And you know what's even better? These kick-ass shirts are buy 3, get 1 free. So make sure you come in either before St. Patrick's Day or get yours on Saturday so you can be in with the fun St. Patrick's Day spirit. Manny Quinn is going to be here checking out his stuff. So we're going to be test riding bikes. Bring your bike in because don't forget we got our March specials going on. We have 10% off tire and labor. If you buy 2 tires, it's 15% off the tires and 15% off labor. Boots. These boots are made for walking. We got 20% off boots. And we have a dealership full of Harley-Davidsons, again, like I said, for you to test ride. Come on out and join us, and then you want to make sure that you head on upstairs. You see that up there, the Barber and Aggie Tattoo. Make sure you go up there and get your keywords, because remember, on our season opener on the 25th, we are giving away a 12-hour day session with Billy Jack, or we are giving away a year's free haircuts. That's 12 free haircuts with Buzzbone Barber. So when you're here, make sure you stop up there and get your keywords from there. You know, we're trying to get ready to kick off our 25th celebration for the 120th anniversary of Harley-Davidson here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. So everything's going to start this weekend. Grab your green, head on over. We'll see you then. Cheers!